Professional damage repair shampoo and conditioner for damaged hair. Deep cleansing shampoo helps repair hair damage, boost hair strength and smooth frizzy hair. Damage repair conditioner nourishes, repairs and smooths damaged hair. Great for dry damaged hair care, safe to use on colored hair. Bedhead by TIGI Urban Antidotes Resurrection Shampoo and Conditioner Set contains a 25.36 fluid ounces shampoo and 25.36 fluid ounces conditioner. Repair dry and damaged hair with the Bedhead Resurrection Shampoo and Conditioner. The Damage Repair Shampoo helps to repair severe hair damage, increase hair strength and smooth frizzy, damaged hair. It is deep cleansing and helps cleanse hair of dirt and grime. The Repair Conditioner deeply nourishes, repairs visible signs of damage and smooths damaged hair. These damage repair hair products provide a high level of care and conditioning to help protect hair condition and maintain heathly looking hair while visits to the salon are not possible. Great for repairing damaged hair. Safe to use on colored hair. Massage the shampoo into wet hair, rinse well, then apply the conditioner to the mid-lengths to ends of wet hair, leave in for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse well. Formulated with Amodimethicone to repair external hair damage and to leave hair healthier and smoother, Glycerin for moisture, conditioning and nourishment, and Behentrimonium Chloride for further conditioning and nourishment. This professional shampoo and conditioner set includes a 25.36 fluid ounces shampoo and a 25.36 fluid ounces conditioner. They come with Papaya Chill Pill fragrance. Top reviews from the United States. Love this product. Love this product. My hair is super soft and shiny.